The Asian longhorn beetle is an invasive species that currently is not in Fairfax County or in Virginia, but it has been found active in New York, Massachusetts, and Ohio. It infests maple and many other species of trees, and over a period of time will kill those trees. Currently, what my office is asking the residents of Fairfax County to do is to look out for the adult beetle. So the best time for people to spot the Asian longhorn beetle are between the months of June and August. And so that's the best time you'll see them flying around, crawling around, looking for other Asian longhorn beetles to mate with. So signs that you may have Asian longhorn beetle infesting your trees are you'll find large dime-sized exit holes on your tree. You may see some weeping of sap running along the bark of your tree. Also, you might see some yellowing of your leaves, some of the branches of your trees dying. And finally, you might see some sawdust or the frass of the larva at the branch union or at the bottom of your tree. Asian longhorn beetles are only destructive to trees. They have no interest in being harmful to people or animals. For more information regarding forest pests, please visit our website. For any questions or concerns you may have, feel free to call us or email us.